Hello everyone. For this scrappy act, I made a wedding folio for a couple that I knew that was getting married. It was my first time, I believe, making a folio. This was a while back ago, but you can see I added beautiful trim there, and I believe this trim and other ones that I have on here was purchased at Joann's. This paper may also have been purchased from Joann's. Again, this has been a while, or Michael's. But this is the wedding day from American Crafts with the DCWV little logo on it, that cardstock. It was such a beautiful pack. I still have like little pieces of it left. I love that pack. I use it all the time. But this is the first big project I did using this um, cardstock. So you can see a little bit of a view of the outside of the folio, and then we go in um, the folio, and here I have a little save the date spot for them to just add little things, notes or little pictures too. And in that insert, it's actually a pocket created inside so I cut out of the paper and then just glued it on all four sides, but just leaving it open so that it makes it into a pocket. And there they could circle the month and day of their wedding and add little notes. I did like to have those gemstones on top only because I didn't want the paper to drop into it. I did try to secure the paper down so it would be not slip into it, but that was also an extra security measure. So all these little die cuts you see here, the one that I did with the pocket on the other side and that one that was on front, it was either on Cricut or I hand cut them, with the exception of the edge, and you'll see that in the center, but I used an edge punch for that. So here I made a little pocket for them to add little notes. And with that paper pack, the wedding day paper pack, it had such cute cut aparts to create little notes and stuff like that because of the wedding pack is for wedding day. It just lent itself to giving a lot of cute spots for photos and things like that. So here I created a sliding waterfall, and that's so they can add as many pictures as possible to that spot. Again, that trim there you see is most likely, I want to say on like 99% sure that it came from Joann's. So for the center of the album here, you see the edge border that is a I want to say it was a die from the Fiskars, and I love this paper. It just says happily, love you always, happily ever after. And then I did a stamp there, all my love. Um, and then there's a pocket there for a memory or a photo to be placed. And that beautiful die cut in the front is also, again, a cut I did with my Cricut. So this waterfall is different because it's not sliding. It is just a regular open waterfall, but I like it that I made these a little longer than the first set. It was more squared. These are more longer for, portrait photos. And I love like, again, this paper pack was so beautiful. The lace pages that, that just looked like it was lace or fabric, it really looked like it was lace or fabric. Like it was hard to tell. I had a friend who asked me, "Well, how are they supposed to write on the fabric?" and I told her it's not fabric, it's the paper. But that's how good the paper looked. The quality of the paper was just really nice. And the couple really enjoyed this, receiving it. They went through it and they were so excited to have it, and I was really happy that they enjoyed it. I do a pocket up here with some little other pieces to enter, for them to add notes or more photos. This cute pocket has a little, I put celebrate in the front. And those circles, or not circles really, ovals, it's a set that came together. And I forget what set it was, but they had like graduating ovals, but each oval had a different cut to the edge. So they didn't really like graduate in a way that they fit together perfectly, but I do like that they have different edge cuts to them. I cut out of this paper the flowers to create a pocket. So it is just one page, but I just used my little blade to cut around the flower to make it into a pocket there. And you can see there, there's the graduating ovals, but they have different edge cuts to the oval. And that is the album. So I really enjoyed making this folio, and I hope you all enjoyed, looking at it and seeing how it was. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you for watching.